Hello friends, the topic of this video is construction of DFA. So the question is we have to construct the DFA over input symbol a comma b which will accept bba as substring. So first of all I will write the possible string which contains bba as substring and then I will draw the DFA. So let us write the value which contain bba as substring. So first value will be bba. Now the string can start with a and start with b also. So let us see first possibility double A BBA or BBB A or BBB end with B or end with A. So BBB A. Then I will write AB AB BA. So again BBA as substring. Then BA BBA and so on. So let us see how to construct the DFA. So in this case, the number of or length of the substring is 3. So total number of states will be 4. So first of all, I will draw the total number of states. So Q0, then Q1, then Q2 and then Q3. So here Q0 is initial state. Now let us see the first string is BBA. So I will write here BBA. So here Q3 will be the final step. Now the string can start with A or start with B. If it starts with A, I will write the string ABBA, then double A BBA or triple A for any number of A and BA. So if you apply the loop of A on Q0, it will solve our problem. Then now the string can end with A or B. So it will be B B or B or B. Okay, so it can contain any number of A and any number of B at the end. So if you apply the loop of A and B here, it will solve our problem and it will accept any number of A and any number of B. Then next possibility I will take is BA B 3 times A, then BBA. So what to do in this case? So if you apply the loop of A here, it will not solve our problem because the problem is if you apply the loop of A, it will accept BA also, which is not acceptable because BA there is no BBA as substring. So if you come back for A here, it will solve our problem. How? BA, then BA, any number of A and then BA. So it will definitely solve our problem. Now the next possibility is B and then A. So there is any number of B because it is also containing BB as substring, valid string. So BB, if you apply the loop of B here, it will solve our problem. So I will apply the loop of B here. So it will accept any number of B and then A reaches to final state. So in DFA, if you reach to final state and if there is no more input symbol, then string is accepted. So then let us see the various possibility. Let us say AB, B. So BBA as substring. So A, B, A, then B, B. Then next possibility is BA. So BA, BBA. Okay, so it is now all the possibilities are covered, and this is the final DFA which accept BBA as substring. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.